Hello guys, hope you are doing well and enjoying good health. Welcome back to the channel Shafii Tech. In this video, I am going to tell you about YouTube Studio. In this video, I am give information about YouTube Studio, what features in the YouTube Studio and how it works. Total information about YouTube Studio. In the YouTube Studio, and I'm going to tell you. So first of all, I'm request you please subscribe my channel Shafii Tech. In this channel you always find very massive content, informative and beneficial content in this channel. So now I'm going to the channel text dashboard. Sorry. So first of all, here is dashboard, YouTube Studio dashboard. I minimize the screen. Sorry. Okay, this is the main dashboard of the your channel YouTube Studio. This is YouTube Studio. Here you can type the YouTube Studio. Sorry, YouTube Studio. So first application or link is your YouTube Studio. So like this you can find the dashboard. So this is the main dashboard of the channel. I am the manager on this channel. So in this video I'm telling you dashboard, YouTube Studio information. So this is the main dashboard. This is the content page. Here you can find your full content, total content on this page. Playlist, how much playlist, which type of playlist you can find here. Analytics, how much watch time, it views, subscriber you got, lifetime, 24 48 hours, 28 days, 7 days, all December, November, monthly basis, lifetime, yearly basis you can find here. If when I click on lifetime, so total lifetime views, watch time, subscriber and revenue you can find here. If your channel monetize, you can also watch your revenue total. My channel is not on monetize still, so this is the main dashboard of the channel. Analytics, sorry, lifetime. Comments, which type of comments you got. There is a no comment, so this is the comment box. Subtitle, monetization page. This is my channel is an underview, so this type of page is shown in this channel. Customizer, you can customize your channel. Brand matlab, change your banner, change your logo, etc. Basic information you can edit your description, handle, name, etc. Audio library, you can find many much settings. So in the next video, inshallah, I'm going to tell you about settings and the all information about setting and the YouTube Studio setting information. Okay, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and for press the bell icon for latest videos.